Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Nuggets News. This is just a short update. I wasn't planning on doing another video today. I've just uploaded my exchange tokens comparison video, but we've got a situation that's unfolding and we've been looking for the perfect recipe for a bottom to form to create that perfect storm for a monster rally. And what I'm looking at here, if I zoom out to my daily chart, there's a couple of things that I just tweeted about here. So shorts are nearing record highs. Sentiment's horrible. I've been getting messages and seeing posts from people that have thrown in the towel and said, nah, crypto's not for me, or nah, I'm selling everything, I'm buying in lower. CNBC just put out a video about how Scott Nation is desperate to be short, and this is his trade. He's going short, as you see his profit here, and his target's 5,500. And they put out a poll: has Bitcoin found its bottom? With 85% of people saying no. So the vast majority of the herd think that Bitcoin is going lower. And when the herd wants something and everyone's on one side of the boat, often that doesn't happen. There's only room for people to come to the other side of the boat. But if we look at the shorts here, they've had an absolute monster rally. 75%, 70% there in the past week or two. Now, look at this huge run up we had last time that all resulted in that huge decline. So shorts fell off and decreased by about 35%, which resulted in Bitcoin rallying about 20% in one day, but it continued and followed through to go about 40%, 45% off that lows, and that's what triggered that rally. So this is a very similar pattern that's forming here, a little bit of a rally, a little bit of a cool off, and then everyone's thinking that we get another big leg down. It's the same here, rally, cool off. Everyone's thinking we're getting another leg down. Cycle brackets have been pushing up. I had that August 14th date marked as a key reversal point. Now shorts have just continued to pile in. None of these people have covered on a shorter time frame. So if we do get a similar setup here, a 20% rally would take us right to this next resistance level I've got marked on the chart at around 7,800. Then we'd probably get a pullback from there and let the 4-hour RSI and the longer time frames cool off, and then a continuation to get through to that 45% mark brings us right up to that big resistance we had on the chart for weeks there at around 9.5 all the way to 10,000, a really big resistance zone. So guys, I think there's a monster rally in the works here. The slightest bit of good news would propel this higher and just liquidate all these shorts that continue to pile in. The stars are continuing to align here, so let's see how this plays out, and I hope you've enjoyed this quick update. Cheers.